Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Many of you have watched me on, I believe, 2 videos putting the snowblower on my John Deere 3046R cab tractor, removing the loader, putting the snowblower back on with its implements that attach at the front 3-point hitch. And that's taken me 2 to 3 hours. I think I've got it close to 2 hours. My last time I changed it. This video I'm going to show you how I remove the snowblower off the T66 track loader. I'm going to quickly remove it, hopefully. Load my, attach my, which just came in, my Bobcat 72-inch 4N1Bucket or combination bucket. It's a clamshell bucket. I'm going to attach that. I have to take it off a trailer. And then I'm going to reattach the snowblower back on to the track loader. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you consider liking this video, subscribing it, and sharing it with a friend. All of that costs you nothing. And over 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks, let's get to work. Before I pull this outside, I'm gonna remove the couplers. First, I'm going to remove the electric couplers. Everything on the snowblower is controlled through the flow of the hydraulics, and this electrical switch transfers my movements, my controls from inside the cab to the snowblower, like moving the chute and adjusting the deflection on the snowblower. Okay, so the hoses are removed. Okay. Sometimes you have one of those days. So the bucket is just wider than the tracks, which I wanted. 72 inches wide. I think that's to this cutting edge. So it's just wider than the tracks. It should go on my 14,000 pound trailer fine. And the reason I wanted this bucket, the 4-in-1 was extremely handy. Took my son's phone. 4-in-1 was extremely handy on my John Deere 3046R. It did very well on that machine. When I load my 10-wheeler dump truck, this with a standard bucket can dump, but it can't fully tilt if there was a load, a partial load in the truck. So with the 4-in-1 bucket, I can clear the boards on the truck and just open the bucket and dump into it and then retract. Also, it's nice, general purposes, when you don't have a grapple on it. I can probably grab those big stumps in the very back of the property. All right, let's wrap up this video. I gotta take this off and mount the snowblower. Okay. I do like this retaining pin. What a wet day. boy, these are so easy to connect. Wow. Marauders, that's it. A lot easier. Who would have thought getting that bucket off the trailer was the hardest part? Although I kind of did. I knew those rails were going to give me problems on the trailer. But that's what I picked it up in. I just had to make do. Bottom of the bucket where the skid steer hitch mounts into it is bent. I don't know whether I should try to bend that back or have the dealer come out and bend it. I'm gonna have the dealer look at it because I think it's been like that, it's rusted. Marauders, thank you, hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and sharing this with a friend, subscribing to my channel, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you learned something by my struggles to get it off the trailer. Otherwise, it's very easy to hook the snowblower up. To take it on and off, I don't think is 5 minutes. It's very fast. One of the reasons why I went towards this direction, especially with my knee and age. Thank you guys. Have a great day.